Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to explore one of the most fundamental Linux command, the MKDIR command. If you are working in Linux regularly, whether you are system administrator, DevOps engineer, or just learning the basics, creating directories from the terminal is something you'll do constantly, and MKDIR makes the process simple and powerful. So what is MKDIR? The MKDIR command stands for make directory. It is used to create new folders directly from Linux command line. Although you can create folders using a graphical file manager, working in the terminal is much faster and more efficient, especially when managing servers or remote systems. Before creating a directory, always verify your current location using pwd command, pwd. By default, MKDIR creates directory in your current working directory. So if you want to create it somewhere else, you can change the location by cd command or directory specify full path when running MKDIR. The command is flexible. It allows you to create a single folder, multiple folders at once, nested directory structures. So it's general syntax: MKDIR, options, and directory names, dir names. Let's look at the most commonly used options. So first, let's try without option, MKDIR. So test. So ls-d test, and we see folder which created without any option, just using MKDIR. MKDIR without options, so -m option. This option allows you to define permission at the creation time. For example, MKDIR -m755 project ls. This creates a directory names project with specific access permission. This is useful in production environments where you need strict control over access right. So ls-la project. So ls-lad project, and you see the permission it gives to our directory. Other option, -p or --parents. This is one of the most powerful options. It allows you to create parent directories automatically if they don't already exist. For example, MKDIR -p project dev backend. Enter. If project or dev doesn't exist, Linux will create them automatically. So without p, the command would fail. Let's check cd project ls, cd dev ls, and cd backend pwd. Let's go back to home directory, clear -x. The next option is verbose. This option displays detailed output of what command is doing. So for example, MKDIR -v folder. And we see output MKDIR created directory folder. So you will see confirmation that directory was created. It's often combined with -p option. With MKDIR, you can create multiple directories at once. MKDIR test1, test2, ls, and we see test1 and test2. This creates two separate directories at the same level. Create full directory hierarchy. MKDIR -p, for example, contacts / customers, suppliers, so suppliers, brackets, orders, and invoices. Enter. Let's check cd contacts ls customers and suppliers. Let's go to suppliers, cd suppliers ls, and we see invoices and orders, cd. This is extremely useful for structured environments like project, business directories, or application deployment. So why MKDIR is important? In real world DevOps or SRE workflows, directory structures matters. You may need to prepare application environments, create log directories, organize configuration files, build automation pipelines, and all of that often starts with MKDIR. So that's all for this lesson. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Linux and DevOps lessons, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.